friends, this is the rate I old monk, and today I am with the Lenovo K9. So Lenovo comes in India after 1 year. Last year it came with the K8, K8 Note and K8 Plus. So right now this time they are coming with the K series again, which is their flagship series. And talking about the device comes with a 3000 milliampere battery. It has a 5.7-inch SD plus display. It has a dual camera, 13 plus 5 megapixel at the back, 13 plus 5 megapixel in the front, and it is running on Android Oreo 8.1. We will talk about this on later. We will check it out what are the box content, and we will see how the device looks like. So here we are going to unbox it. I will do a little faster so that you guys don't get bored here. And here the design is pretty much similar what we have seen in the Honor 9 Lite. It has a glass finish at the back, and let's the phone get booted. At the same time we will check it out what is inside it. Here is we are getting the user guide manual, and there is also a back cover, which is a silicone back cover we are getting. Talking about the charger, it comes with a fast charging support, and this is the charger, the rating. You can pause it and check it out. And talking about the cable, it comes with the Type-C charging port cable, and you can also transfer the data using the cable. Unfortunately, there are no earphones in the box, so that is something it will be worry for few guys, but you can definitely buy a earphone separately. Now I'm just trying to install the first installation of the device, and I'm putting the fingerprint sensor. I'm still not sure that it has a face unlock or not, so I was trying to check it out right now. And while doing that, the fingerprint sensor can be easily done, and the registration is very easy. It doesn't take any long time to do that, and after that you can unlock the device. The fingerprint sensor is mounted at the back. Now talking about the design, the display looks pretty much premium. On the side you are getting the volume rocker keys and the power button, and they are in a plastic finish. It is not a tactile finish or not a glass finish. On the back we are getting a 13 plus 5 megapixel camera with dual tone LED flash. The fingerprint sensor is also at the back, and it has a glass finish. Lenovo is written. It comes with a 2.5D curved glass in the front and the back, and this will be coming in the two color, black and the blue color. This is the black color. Here you can see the speaker grills. There is a Type-C charging port, and the 3.5mm jack is present. In the front you are getting a 13 plus 5 megapixel setup again, and there is also a flash in the front. Here you can see it comes with the hybrid slot, so you can put two nano SIM card, or you can put one nano SIM card and one micro SD card. So this is what we are getting in the design. Now talking about the display, it comes with a 5.7-inch SD plus display. It is coming with the 18:9 aspect ratio, where you are not getting any notch. The fingerprint is working very fine. There is no issue. The device is coming with the Android 8.1 Oreo, and it is near to stock OS, but there are some tweaks which are given with the Lenovo. Now talking about the device, it comes with the 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. Talking about the processor, it has a octa-core processor, MediaTek 6762, and it is running on Android Oreo 8.1. The battery in the device is 3000 milliampere, which is actually a good one. And the price point, what I suppose that it will be around 9,000 or 10,000. Less than 9,000 will be a very aggressive price for the device, and it looks pretty much good. The premium, we have seen this kind of device in the Honor 9 Lite or the Honor 9N. Now talking about the OS, you are getting some bloatwares in the device. In the bloatware, you also getting UC browser and some more things. Some games are preloaded, which you can definitely uninstall them, and it is very easy to do that. So they are uninstallable. I still don't know. I'm not sure, because this is not a retail unit. This is a review unit, so a little bit different. It will be there in the software feature. Now talking about the experience of the camera. Camera is one of the important thing what we are looking around, and it comes with the 13 plus 5 at the back, 13 plus 5 in the front. So definitely that is an important part. Coming to the picture size, it can take up to 13 megapixel camera using the rear camera. There is not much more options in the settings. Now going to the video setting, we are getting a camera where you can record up to full HD. Here there is a HD mode, there is a VGA mode, and there is also a normal GIF mode which you can record. Now going to the front camera, we will check it out, the front camera recording settings and how it is. So The front camera recording, it can record up to full HD. So in the front and the back, both can record up to full HD, which is a great thing. And it comes with a 32 GB of internal storage. Let me remind you that back again. Talking about the modes in the front camera, you are getting a normal photo mode, there is a video mode, and there is a bokeh mode. And in the front camera, you can click up to 13 megapixel, which is the highest resolution. You are also getting a beauty mode. There is a bokeh mode. Once you put in the bokeh mode, you can play around with the aperture settings and try it out. I have also tried the same thing using the rear camera. I will put some samples so that you guys can judge. In the rear camera, you are also getting a panorama mode, which is a very easy one. There is a flash, you can switch it on and switch it off. Now talking about the beauty mode, you are getting a 3 levels of beauty mode, where you are getting a high beauty mode, there is a medium beauty mode, and there is a low beauty mode. So this is what you are getting in the beauty mode. You can play it around. I personally don't like the beauty mode. Now talking about the camera samples, we have tried and tested in the different condition. This is a low light condition taking in the rear camera. The bokeh effect came out well. This is the normal mode what we have taken. This is the front camera using the normal picture. We haven't tried the bokeh because it was edging. This is the normal bokeh mode, but in the front camera the edge detection is little bit not accurate. Coming to the back camera, here you can check it out. The bokeh mode is coming well. The colors are definitely natural and rich. It also has HDR mode present. Now you are the best person to judge it, the camera is good or not. Now talking about the device, let me grab you. This is the Lenovo K9 coming after, the Lenovo is coming after a year, and still we don't know the price. This is all about the device what we know. This at the rate ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.